The other one that kind of also taps into this as well is demand for something called dupes. Demand for something called dupes. Dupes are duplicates, and it's again that trend of money's getting tighter for people, inflation's kind of biting, and so they're looking to get products that are functionally the same, but at a much greater, much less cost. So they're looking to kind of strip away the branding cost and just have the product cost, okay? For instance, little bit, Dior lip oil, that search term, Dior lip oil dupe, which means it does exactly the same thing, probably has exactly the same ingredients as the Dior lip oil, but it's marketed by somebody else who doesn't spend billions of dollars on stores or spend billions of dollars on branding for the product as well, okay? Hopefully you all realize that the companies that, the factories that make these kind of products, like the Dior lip gloss, that's made by an Italian company whose name slips on mine right now. Anyway, but they also make heaps of other people's products as well, like Dior sunglasses, for instance. They're made by Luxottica, which is also in Italy. And Luxottica also make sunglasses for 50 or 60 other brands as well. Okay, so it kind of taps into that awareness that people are having, where they want the product, but without the big, they want the benefits of the product, but without the big price tag. Okay, they're not interested in the brand. So this is a big opportunity. If we go over to TikTok and look for dupes, you can see this is massive. One of my favorite TikTokers is a guy that tears apart big brand name, Louis Vuitton, Chanel handbags and stuff like that, okay? And his shtick is, hey, look how badly made these are, and yet it's, you know, $4,000. Here's exactly the same bag, but without the Louis Vuitton brand on it, for $500 or $200. Okay, that's really what this is kind of playing into, and it's gone a long, long way. So where's the opportunity in this? The opportunity in this is twofold, I think. Firstly, finding these high-end products, looking at the ingredients in them, and then simply replicating the ingredients of the product. So ingredients do not get trademarked typically. Dogs are mental. Ingredients for this kind of product do not get trademarked or copyrighted or anything like that. Anybody can have those ingredients. So you can put something together that for all intents and purposes is the same thing, but without the high price tag. And you leverage the price tag based upon the fact that it's exactly the same product. For instance, skincare, all these different dupes. So perfume's a big one, for instance. And Glossy Bomb, whatever the hell that is. Skims, well, that's all your Kim Kardashian kind of stuff where you hide your junk in the trunk. That's all that. But this is a big thing. Here's this one here, the skincare dupes. This particular lady is very, very good. Dermatology doctor. Here's somebody you should follow. And this is easy to do. It's super easy to do. And you get to leverage your product simply by virtue of the fact that you say it's exactly the same as this high price product, but without all the branding, without all the thing. And you just do a side-by-side comparison. Here's the ingredients in this one. Here's the ingredients in my one. That's how you kind of position it. This is a really simple thing to do. Lots of money to be made here. It's only going to get a bigger and bigger trend as more people start looking at this sort of stuff. It's only going to get a bigger trend. It means you get to leverage your products based upon the fact that they're the same as a high-priced offering of a product, if that makes sense. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.